Mike doesn't have jack shit to do today. Mike doesn't have jack shit to do today. Oh my god, this is a tongue twister. Mike doesn't have jack shit to do today. Mike doesn't have jack shit to do today. His nana obviously is in sick. Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are very new to this channel, I usually make content related to education, personal life experiences and book summary. If you find my content helpful means, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This will give me confidence and also motivation to do more videos consistently. So without any further delay, let's get into the video and let's explore the today's topic. So today's topic is about practicing American accent or learning American accent. I also uploaded one video of practicing American accent. If you didn't see that video yet, means I will give that video link in this description and as well as in this iCard. So please make sure to watch that video. So today I'm going to learn American accent with the help of shadowing technique. Yes. See, American accent is really very hard, and I won't say that it is simple or I won't say that it is hard, but it is hard. What I mean to say is, by practice we can get that American accent. By practicing 1 day or 2 days we won't get that American accent, right? So we need to practice a lot. Even I'm beginner, very beginner in American accent. So this video is about I'm in the learning stage. That's what I want to say you to all. So before starting with the shadowing technique, I just want to give you why shadowing technique is so powerful. There are so many reasons why shadowing technique is so powerful. In that, first reason is it improves fluency. It improves fluency, and the second one is if you practice shadowing technique, you try to speak natural. Like you will get, if in this shadow technique you will copy the native speakers, right? The more you copy the native speaker, the more natural your sounding would be. So this is the second advantage, I mean, of practicing shadowing technique. And the third one is it builds confidence. You can speak comfortable in English. I know at first we feel uncomfortable and we feel awkward to speak, but with the practice we can build the confidence. These are some of the reasons why shadowing technique is so powerful. Now I'm gonna show you the shadowing technique. Even I'm feeling awkward to show you, but I have to, because I badly wanna learn American accent. So let's start shadowing technique with some real conversation. He's a piece of shit. Mike doesn't have jack shit. Mike doesn't have jack shit to do today. Mike doesn't have jack shit to do today. Oh my god, this is a tongue twister. Mike doesn't have jack shit to do today. His nana obviously isn't sick.
Then he said he missed me, and then he just hung up.
He's a piece of shit.
What?
Mike doesn't have jack shit to do today. His nana obviously isn't sick. I guarantee you, him and Lucas are playing Atari right now.
But friends don't lie.
Yeah, well, boyfriends lie. All the time.
She knows I'm lying. She knows I'm lying.
I don't even understand. Why lie?
Hopper, he threatened me.
Did he say he would kill you?
What? No.
So what's the big deal?
The big deal is if I don't do what he says, then he'll stop me from seeing Elle. Like, permanently.
From this clip, what I understood means I have to practice a lot, and that's the first point. And the second one is, this is the main important, intonation. So shadowing technique is all about the intonation. Intonation means how your voice goes up and down when you speak. It's not about just copying their words. It's about sounding natural. Even when you see, the native speakers will not talk or speak in a flat tone. They will always change their voice a lot, and that makes their accent sound real. So now onwards I have to more concentrate on intonation. So let's go for second clip. Mason should be in an hour ago.
Wrong boy toy.
You have no idea what you have just done.
Aw, did I put a kink in your master plan? I'm so sorry.
Do you believe me?
I don't have a plan B.
1 hour later.
I love you. Poor guy. Hey, where are you? Because you're not even bring him over. Last goodbyes and all that.
You have no idea what you have just done.
Aw, did I put a kink in your master plan? I'm so sorry.
Do you honestly believe that I don't have plan B? And if that fails plan C, then plan D, and you know how the alphabet works, don't you? Son of a Stefan.
I love you.
So from this clip, I felt Catherine dialogues are so fast. I mean, she's speaking very fast. And one more thing I understood means listening skills. We need to improve listening skills. I mean, with the practice itself we can get. So by shadowing technique we can improve the listening skills, like how they are raise and falling their voice, and how they are like cutting the words. I mean, see here, she is cutting the words in the conversation. See, in English, going to, they will use gonna, want to, wanna. So in this way they are cutting the words and merging those two words in forming one single word. In this way they are speaking. So to learn American accent, we have to learn some shortcut.
What you got there?
It's my sack of Babel.
It's
It's
your
really
breakfast,
very
but it-
oh,
Hey, cat.
cool outfit.
Thanks. What you got there?
It's my sack of Babel. It's
your
really heavy, so
breakfast,
put
but
it in a wagon.
And you needed to bring all of it to school?
You can't help it. It's so good.
That's a lot of Bible.
Yeah, please don't make it made all for me.
Cat, don't be stingy. Just give me a little nibble of the bibble.
No!
My friend Kat said that she really needs to talk to you.
Mr. Thorsmith, you know that store brand is Bibelry. They'll sell me any more Bibel.
Why not?
They think I might have a problem.
Would
You think calling from me?
Sure. Later, alright?
So, that's it for today, guys. And that was me practicing shadowing technique by using Vampire Diaries and Stranger Things and Cat Valentine conversations. If you want me to try some other conversations, means please make sure to comment below. I would definitely try it. And still I am in a learning stage, and I feel this shadowing technique definitely works. If you want to learn any other accent, not only American, any other accent, please make sure to try this shadowing technique and let me know how the experience was. So that's it for today. If you enjoy this video, means please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. That really motivates me to do more videos consistently. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.